Hello friend, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove background from complex image in just 5 steps. There are lots of tools out there that you can use to do this job. The one I have fallen in love with is Photoroom, and I'm going to show you a quick demonstration in just 5 steps. Step 1, I want you to access the website photoroom.com by clicking the link in the description. Now that you're on the website, step 2, I want you to scroll down to where you see free tools. I'm scrolling down. Now, just right here, you are going to find the free tools. I want you to now click on background remover as step 3. So step 3, click on this background remover. Now that you have clicked on the background remover, it's going to bring you to this page where you can see erase background for free and replace it with different backgrounds of your choosing. Right now, there's a part here where you need to verify you are human. Now you can upload your photo as step 4. Click on the blue link. It will take you to where your photo is saved on your system. Here is my photo, and I'm clicking on it. Give it time to process so that your background can be removed. Now here it is. Now this is the result of the process Photoroom has done. Let me show you the image before. This is the image before the background was removed, and you can see it's a complex image because it has a lot of things happening in the background, different images with different backgrounds. And after the process, it was able to remove the background of those complex image, and I have this. So here you have it, the complex image has been worked on and the background has been removed. Then scroll down at step 5. You can still edit it more if you want to, but right now I just want to download it, and I click on download. Then it asks you for resolution. You have the standard resolution 1280 by 1280, or you have the high resolution. Since we are using a free version, I'm going to go to standard resolution, and it's going to save on your system. I prefer to put it under images, and then it will be saved in my image. Now, there's something I need to let you know about this Photoroom, about the free tool called Photoroom Background Remover. If you go to the prices, you are going to see that the free version right here gives you the ability to remove background freely, and you can as well export other images for up to 250. So right now what we can see here is that this background remover is free, except you now decide to go for other plans if you want other packages. But for the background remover, you have a free tool to use anytime you want to remove your background for any complex images. I hope you found this video useful. Kindly subscribe and consider liking the video. Thank you. See you in the next video.